Okay, hello and welcome everybody to the walkthrough video for the Gladiators TV Show games made on the iPad using ScratchJr. So full screen to start. We're going to start with the wall, green flag, and off we go with the red competitor racing against the blue, and the blue has won. Okay, on to the next event. This is duel. I can use my pugil stick to try and attack the gladiator. That was a draw. Now on to Gauntlet. Okay, I've got to successfully try and get past the gladiators, and I've got to the end winner. Right now, here we go, the Eliminator. Blue contestant started really quick, but they've hit the cactus, so we've got to go back to the start. I've successfully managed to get round the cactus, the apple, and then the mushroom onto the finish line. And there we go, winner. There it is. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed watching this game and want to make your own, please click on the video on the screen that will appear shortly, and it will take you to a click-by-click, step-by-step video tutorial where I'll take you through exactly what you need to do to make your own. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.